Are you struggling to come up with what to say in your videos? Or you have this idea, but you don't know how to turn your idea into script? If that is what you are facing as a content creator, I have a good news for you. What if I tell you that with the help of ChatGPT, you can improve the quality of your content within a short period of time? Instead of spending days writing a script or spending hours or weeks writing a script, what if I show you step by step how you can start generating good quality of content within a short period of time? If that sounds as what you are looking for, kindly click a like button and follow me as I show you step by step on how you can start generating content without wasting much of your time. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am Mr. Fame and I'm happy to have you on my channel. For the record, I create content to help you grow using AI tools and smart strategy. And today I will walk you through a simple step-by-step method to create powerful scripts using ChatGPT. The same method many successful creators are using right now.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.
So let's dive into the real business of today. So the first step is to have a clear idea. I want you to know that ChatGPT cannot do anything on its own unless you feed it with a proper prompt. Before you can do that, you need a clear topic. There's no way you can generate a good content without a clear topic. For instance, how to make money online, how to grow on YouTube, or how to use AI tools. If you check these three topics very well, you will see that they are well defined. And when your topic is well defined, it will help ChatGPT to give you exact information that you are looking for. The next step is using the right prompt. I want you to pay close attention to what I'm about to show you. You see, the biggest mistake beginners make when using ChatGPT is feeding it with wrong prompt. Yeah, I know ChatGPT will always give you something, either your prompt is well detailed or not. But the quality of your results depend on your prompt. So that is why if you are looking for something, you need to know what you are looking for. You won't get ChatGPT confused and it will start giving you the information that you don't want. For instance, you cannot use only your topic as prompt and expect ChatGPT to give you exact information that you are looking for. There should be another information that will help ChatGPT to look into the area that you want him to look into. Now, if you check these two prompts, you will see that there is a huge difference between the first prompt and the second prompt. The first prompt is not well detailed. It is straightforward and easy to guess. While the second prompt is well detailed and it gives more information about the topic and it tells ChatGPT the area to look into. With the instruction given in the second prompt, there is no need for ChatGPT to get confused or start to make decision on its own because you have already instructed him in your prompt that this is what I want, this is what I want you to include in your research. And that is why the two results will be different from each other. The second one must be well detailed and and more sufficient than the first prompt. I want you to take note of these four factors that must be included in your prompts. The first thing is task. The second factor is topic. Why the third factor is audience. And the fourth one is structures. Your prompt must include these four factors in order to get the kind of result that you are looking for. if you input a prompt without these factors, ChatGPT is going to go out there and get you a random information. And with this, there's no way your content will be unique, because many people can wake up one day and guess the prompt that you are using to generate this result. And if you are using the same prompt with others, it is obvious that you will get similar results with them. But if you take note of these four factors while you are typing your prompt, your results will be different from others. So follow me as I show you the typical example on how to write a good prompt to increase the quality of your content. Let me show you how to turn any idea into a script. We are going to be using this idea as example. Thinking of creating a YouTube video on how to help people to wake up early. So you have this idea and you are thinking of creating a script with this idea. The the first thing you need to do is to come up with a topic. Now, from your ideas, you can derive a topic from it. Now, from this idea, I derived this topic, and I think it's perfect enough. How to wake up early and stay productive. How to wake up early and stay productive. As you can see, the topic is straightforward and easy to understand. And with this, it will attract, with this statement, stay productive, it will attract more viewers uh, to your video. So after deriving your topic from your idea, the next thing is to write your prompt. Now, while writing your prompt, there are four factors that you must consider in your prompt. And the first one is task. Okay, the first one is task. Every video that you want to create on YouTube must have a specific task. What are you creating the video for? So you want to help them solve the the issue of sleeping too much. The task means the purpose, what you are trying to solve. And the topic, the third one is audience. You must target the right audience. As you know, we have different sets of people in this world, and your video must be based on one particular group of people. And the last one is structure. You need to structure your prompts in a way that will help ChatGPT to arrange your information according to how you are uh, according to how you are expecting it to be. While writing your prompt, task must be first, topic will follow, and audience will be the fourth one. Okay. Now let's go straight to the prompt. We are using this prompt as example. The first paragraph says that write an engaging YouTube script on how to wake up early and stay productive throughout the day. Now, if you check this first paragraph, it consists both task and topic. If you check from here to here, we have our topic there. Uh, how to wake up early and stay productive. Now, the next one is audience. So this particular videos is for this set of people. We are creating this video to help this set of people who struggle with consistency. And the last one is to include structure. Now, when I'm talking about structure, this is what I mean. Now, how do you want ChatGPT to arrange your information? How do you want ChatGPT to arrange your information? The first script, the first thing that you need as a YouTuber, you need a hook. Okay, when we're talking about a hook, it's something that will make viewers to stay in your videos from beginning to the end. If you cannot capture viewers within 5 to 10 seconds of your videos, most viewers will be tempted to leave your video. Now, the next thing is introduction. You need an introduction on a particular video that you are creating. So, in any prompts that you want to generate as uh, as a content creator, make sure that you follow this step. Every script must have a strong hook, introduction, practical tips, and real life example. You can change these practical tips to any numbers of your choice. It can be four, five, any number that you want, and real life example. So with this, you'll be able to get the kind of results that is different from other people. Even though many content creators are working on the same topic as yours, but if you follow this step, you'll be able to get different information and your own results will be unique from others. Please don't forget to like this video because it goes a long way for me and it will help other people to see this video. It will help it go more viral. And if you have idea or you have any thoughts concerning this video or you want me to discuss about anything, please kindly drop your idea or your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much.